The Supreme Court will be taking a look at Roe versus Wade later this year, and whatever they decide could have a major impact on the number of women coming to Illinois for abortions. WCIA3's Scarlett O'Hara live in our newsroom tonight. Scarlett, people are already traveling to Illinois for abortions.
Yes, in 2020, 20% of abortions in Illinois were for out-of-state women. Access to reproductive health care can vary greatly across state lines, and the numbers show women are traveling to receive care that's not available where they live.
So it is really an all hands on deck moment for Planned Parenthood and all of the groups that are committed to making sure that people have access to reproductive health care.
States surrounding Illinois have stricter regulations on abortion, sending more women across state lines for the procedure.
This is not good for Illinois. There is no doubt that the people of Illinois would cringe at the thought of our state being an abortion destination.
People on both sides of the issue say they're not surprised by an increase of people coming to Illinois. Recent Illinois Department of Public Health data shows more than 9,000 women traveled to Illinois for an abortion in 2020. That's out of more than 46,000 abortions performed in the state overall. In 2019, more than 7,000 women from other states came here. In 2018, it was more than 5,000.
I think it's important to be aware of the fact that people are being forced to travel because their rights are being denied where they live.
The very frightening thing is that when and if the U.S. Supreme Court overturns Roe versus Wade later this year, which is expected, the abortion numbers will only skyrocket.
If the Supreme Court overturns Roe versus Wade, it would not change things in Illinois. The Reproductive Health Act was passed in 2019, and that protects abortion rights in Illinois regardless of federal law. Live in the newsroom, I'm Scarlett O'Hara, WCIA3, your local news leader.
All right, Scarlett, thank you.